started milling this with a traditional chisel. I wanted to try both chisels, the carbide bits against the traditional chisels to see which one might work the best. But considering it's both resin and there are hardwoods in here, it just really tore it up with a traditional chisel. It didn't really do a whole lot better with the carbide bits, but once I used the negative rake scraper, that really cleaned everything up nicely. I mixed up a 2-part epoxy called Milliput, and I filled some of the cracks and holes here, and I think I will sand this by hand, not on the lathe. You can see there. I also needed it on the ends, so I'll sand this maybe with a I have a 2-inch mini grinder. I might use that, and I might use this. I don't know, we'll see. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make this round, because right now it's not perfectly round. And I'll dig a little indentation in it, put it on the lathe, and then I've got holes in here from the top, so I'll probably just indent this so it drops in. Actually, I don't know if those will show. Those will show, maybe not. I'll see what I can do to use this as a base for that, and this is what I'm thinking about using for a top. So we'll see. So I'm going to put some Danish oil on this, and it goes over the resin just fine, and the Milliput, and especially the wood. So apparently this carbide bit thing is really a great opposition for traditional chisel people. They won't even use them. So, I mean, I guess traditional chisels are a little tricky. Ride the bevel, go into the wood, etc., etc. You know, whatever makes it work is what I believe in. And if you can make your life easier and get your creative process out there, then that's worth something. It's, for me, it's more about the art than the technique, but I know a lot of people think the exact opposite of that, and it's all about the way their shop looks and how many tools they have and tuning up those tools. That's like not exactly fun for me. I mean, I have some tools and stuff, but not a lot of fun to focus on tools. It's about the art. Anyway, that's probably why I do things the way I do them. Just take that into consideration when you look at my work. But thanks for watching. And if you really like my content, it would be absolutely awesome if you subscribed. It helps me so much. I can't even tell you. Thanks in advance.